All right, so if you want to open a Naira account on Headway, it's very simple. Let me walk you through the process. Right, remember we are doing 100,000 Naira to 1 million Naira trading challenge, and it's active and running right now. It's going to be starting on the 15th of December, which is approximately 6 days from now. Yes, 6 days from now, we are going to be doing a 2 weeks trading challenge, 100,000 Naira to 1 million. Now, for you to open a Naira account on Headway, this is what you do. You come to the channel, you click the link here, click on the. Let's use a Chrome browser for this. Let's open the link in Chrome browser instead of the Telegram. Okay, so now you can either use your Google email account to just open the account directly, or you could use your Facebook account, or you could register manually with your email. So let's use Google. Let's use the Google account directly. So I'm going to choose one of my Google accounts. Look at that. It's very, very, very easy. Very easy. In less than a minute, you're good to go. So you can see you have successfully registered. Our system has detected your country is in Nigeria. Now the next thing you want to do is go to dashboard. Now you have 72 hours to get 75% on your first deposit. So if you deposit 100,000 Naira after registering, you're going to get 75,000 Naira. Yes, that's 75% of your first deposit. If you deposit 1 million Naira, you're going to get 750,000 Naira on your first deposit. It's very legit. It's very real. This is the broker that I've been using to trade. All the PNLs you people have been seeing, this is my broker. Yes. Now, you can see there's a demo account that was created automatically for you. And you can see $15,000 was given to you in your demo account. But that's not what we are looking for, right? This is your real account, but this your real account is in dollars. What we want your real account to be in what? To be in Naira. So let me tell you what you're going to do. Now, the first thing first is you need to go and set your password. Yes, go to dashboard. Right. You need to set up your password so that you can be able to use it to log in on MT5. Now, look at this box here called create account. You can see create account. This is where you create your Naira account. Create account, click on it. Real account, demo account, real account. Now, choose account type, send, standard, pro. Leave it on standard. The next is now choose your trading platform, Meta5. You are using MetaTrader 5. So you click on MetaTrader 5, which is MT5, right? Forex, crypto, commodity, stocks, indices, leave all of them, right? Because sometimes I can drop signal on gold, I can drop signal on USDJPY. These are my major two pairs on Forex. Then I can also drop signals on indices. So click on next. Then look at where you're going to choose if you want it to be Naira account. You can see choose currency, USD, Euro, NGN. You click on NGN, meaning Naira. Then your leverage, select your leverage to be 2,000. Select 2,000. Don't leave it at 1,000, right? If you leave it at 1,000, you're going to have limited leverage options. What you need is 2,000. Then look at this NGN. Make sure it is swap free. Yes, make sure it is swap free. Then create password. You can create your own, so create account. Now you can save your password to your Google Manager, of course, right? So you can see I have created my Naira account. So if you come back to account, now you can see the one we just created. You can see the account we just created. You can see that the first one is Naira. The second one is our demo account, which is $15,000, and the last one is what? Dollar, right? Now, if you want to log in this account on your MT5, I'm going to do a video showing you how you can log in this account on your MT5. So the next thing you want to do is, like I said, your security is everything, right? So you go to your dashboard, you come to your account, either your Naira account or your dollar account. You click on your dollar account, you can see your login. You can see your password. You can change your password if you want. Right now, it is with this login that we are going to use in logging into your MT5. Is with this login, right? But I'm not going to do that in this video because this video is already long. So in another video, I'll show you how you can log in on your MT5. Yes, with the account you just created on this broker, I will show you how you can log in on your MT5. GM, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as we keep on delivering very, very significant prompt updates. Yes, and make sure to deposit within 72 hours of your creation. Once you create your account, make sure you deposit so that you can get your 75% bonus. Meanwhile, there is also a $111 bonus that they are going to give you for you to trade with. Yes, $111 bonus for your first steps in Forex. This $111, you can only use it to trade Forex, which I also have plans for you to trade Forex using the bonus that they will be giving you. But I'll do that in another video. For now, bye.